Happy Hydrolez, Ilyas.
Oh, thank you, our captain.
What are you drawing? Are you trying to draw the girl that you see in your dreams?
No, brother. Don't pay attention to the rumors. There's only one thing I love, and I've been drawing it since I was a child.
You are a grown man, Ilyas. But still your dreams haven't ever come true. I never understood how these pieces of paper haven't gotten lost at sea. Do you think Ishak Aga's curse took effect?
Who knows, maybe he did curse us. Remember he caught us when Despina was eloping with you at the house. He showed mercy to you. And he didn't wake Ishak Aga for your love. He just watched us leave. I'll never forget it. That look that Ishak Aga gave us, it haunts me.
Just like these two knives here, you and I have become sharper. We cut down whoever faced us. But the wounds within us grew deeper as we got sharper.
That's what's hurting me, Aha. We have lost ourselves by chasing the sea. We're separated from our brothers. What did you say before we left Lesvos? You said that we would be the sultans of the sea and not pirates. What have we been doing this whole time? We are just fighting bandits. And we are making a living out of whatever Unita pays us. You know what I have to say about that?
Let me say what you cannot utter. You're saying that you wish we never left Lesvos, right? Come with me, Ilyas.
Aha. Forgive me, I was out of line.
I said come, Ilyas. Do you know these shores? Do you know who rules this area? This here is Jerba Island. Captain Aiden lives right there. After he raided Malta and proceeded to imprison the Maltese king's son, all of the infidels living in the area started calling him Cache Diablo.
As in the devil beater?
And this here is Yuboa, Captain Kamal. He turned this place into a forge of heroes after the great conquest took place. This is where the heroes from the depths of Anatolia arrived. It is here where they learn important secrets, and they learn to become courageous and valiant, and the strongest lions to sail the sea. And this here is the Sinop Harbor. This is where Captain Barak lives. It is also here where they build the biggest ships that history has ever seen up until today. These ships are called Goke. And these open sea waters have never witnessed men and beasts like those before. Here are the Maghreb shores that stretch from Egypt all the way to Morocco. Most of the seamen in this area will only make moves when ordered by Captain Kalichas himself. Some do business and some count the gold, while the others draw the sword and hunt down bandits. And this here is the capital, Istanbul, the center of the world. Captain Kemal is here along with our very own Sultan. If you count them separately, you can say that Captain Kemal turned into a palace politician. Aiden turned into a pirate. Captain Kurlish Bey is a tradesman. And Captain Barak is dealing with things at the shipyard. But that's not the truth. All of these brave men are merely waiting for a sign.
While all of these brave men are making their names known, we are protecting the property of strangers, and for the Venetian organization called UNITA.
With Allah's consent, we are going to shoulder the heaviest burden, Ilyas. Just as all of the infidels gathered around a cross, all of these brave men must unite under the light of the crescent. And that is my one and only goal, Ilyas.
Aha. If all of this actually happens, then the Turks would rule all the seas.
Yes, we will, Allah willing. Yes, we will. But we have to be patient. First of all, we need to find out what's going on in Frankish lands, from the shady dealings of UNITA to all of the secret plots and schemes of that foolish Pope. And also, we must keep this secret asleep. and only awaken it once the time is right.